One problem that the growing human population has caused is the extinction and endangerment of animal species. The growth of the human population has led to the destruction and pollution of animal habitats, as more people need places to live and more contaminants and waste are produced. This is affecting animals all over the world, in water and on land, and now we are driving 30,000 species per year to extinction. Species can become extinct and endangered by humans in several ways. Deforestation is the removal of a forest where the land is converted for other uses, usually farming. With an increased number of humans to feed, more forests will need to be destroyed to accommodate for more farms. Almost 70% of the world's animals live in forests. If we destroy the forests, we destroy their habitats and resources they need to survive. This would drive them to extinction as they may not be equipped to survive in different conditions. Deforestation contributes to between 12 to 17% of annual global greenhouse emissions. When forests are cut down, there are less trees to absorb CO2 through photosynthesis, and the carbon stored in trees is released into the atmosphere, both if the wood is burned or if it is left to rot. This is a form of air pollution, which negatively affects animal populations through global warming. CO2 and a number of other greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere, mostly from manufacturing electricity and burning carbon compounds as transportation fuel. As the human population grows, demands for both fuel and electricity will increase, causing even more of these gases to be produced and the temperature of the Earth to rise. This is endangering animal populations, especially those in the Arctic, as they are not adapted to survive in warmer conditions. With more people, there is more waste that makes its way to the oceans and landfills, causing a variety of consequences for animals. These include animals mistaking plastic for food and suffocating to death, and the accumulation of toxic chemicals in their bodies, which can cause diseases and birth defects. Also, humans cause noise pollution. This is interfering with animal species, such as the beluga whale, which communicate through sounds like many other marine creatures. More people means more loud transportation systems, motor vehicles, aircraft, trains, and other loud machinery. With decreased ability to communicate, marine animals are less likely to avoid predators and find food and mates, which puts them at risk of extinction. The Canadian government continue to and have passed several laws to save endangered species. In 2002, the Canadian government passed the Species at Risk Act. This protects species and natural habitats at risk in addition to requiring federal organizations to draw up recovery strategies for endangered species within tight timelines. This act has been very effective as by 2013, the program published final recovery strategies for nearly 195 species and management plans for over 50 species of special concern.